Yes, you can make RedBubble sales within days. You can completely ignore the search results on RedBubble, because you are taking your designs directly to people that are interested in the same thing your designs represent. Facebook groups are the same as a niche of people all with the same interest. Imagine you have many cool designs for dogs. It's a no-brainer to join a club or group of dog lovers. All they talk about is dogs. They show cute videos, images, and once in a while you see a coffee mug or t-shirt pop up with a cool unique design. That post may get hundreds of loves and likes. What if it was your design? Do you think you could make a few sales there? Well, it all depends on how you integrate into the group. You have to be careful not to look nor act like an amateur salesperson.
Wait, there's more. Don't just join the group and post your design with a link. That will likely get your first post declined and could result in you getting kicked out of the group. Be creative, watch what others are posting and mimic what they do, and figure out a way to insert your image without being too obvious. If you think out of the box and expose your design in a fun and unique way, then you may end up with a few sales. So if you can't figure out how to do it yourself, you can upgrade this technique and let us create your first post for you. Then all you have to do is post it. Then you can duplicate what we did for you over and over for free. Remember, it's always your choice to upgrade or not. For more details, click the link below and let's chat.